Okay, the question came through about radiators.
Okay, now here's the first thing. If you change a starter, you should always change the solenoid, because that's what activates the starter. And on a rad, you want to make sure the rad is clean inside. You might get away with a flushing, or else you got to redo the rad. And then naturally, once you do the rad, you put all new hoses on, because you don't want to be fooling around with that 6 months later. Put new hoses on, tighten the clamps before and after it's warmed up, and you're good to go.
So, is there a specific style of rad that these guys should be looking at for their machine?
You gotta have a pressure rad. You can't put an old rad in that's not pressurized, because then your rad's gonna heat. And the transmission has to have a cooler on for sure.
This is what Dad's referring to. This is a transmission cooler here. So this is the rad.
The cooler should be high on the rad, because there's no pull in here. It's either on the top or the bottom.
Okay.
So naturally, if you put it here, the cold air comes over and it sucks in right away.
Okay. So, recoring rads. We sent our rads out to West End Rad in Winnipeg over the years. I think they're on Logan.
Yep.
They were a good shop with good prices and fast turnaround. You guys got another place you go to, that's fine. But that's the ones that Dad used over the years. More specific questions about rads, let us know, and we'll try to, or any other question, just comment on the YouTube channel. The other thing is, guys, Dad is so close to his 500 subscriber amount. He's at like 488. If you guys haven't subscribed at all, we would sure appreciate you logging into YouTube and making an account. All you need is an email. Create that account and get him to 500. He'd just be tickled pink about that. And that is it for today, and we want to hear from you guys more. And this is Bombardiering in July right now.